Did you know that Chargent's team is full of super smart people who want to help you be successful at every step of your payment process? If you have ever talked to our support team, I'm willing to bet you do. My name is Robert and I am from Chargent. If you're a Salesforce admin or a consultant who wants to learn how to save time with Chargent and be a superstar for your organization, then you're in the right place. No one knows Chargent better than the people who work on it every day. So we asked our team to share their favorite tips and tricks for Salesforce admins. Here's what they said. Tip number 1, automate recurring billing. Would you believe it if I told you that there are people hand typing credit cards and entry forms for every single recurring payment? Be a hero to your finance team and help them automate this. Speaking of automation, that leads me to admin tip number 2. Automated collections. We made it really simple for Salesforce admins to set up automated collections by giving you a click to configure ways to create collection processes that work for your organization. One important thing you should know is that you can reduce your accounts receivable and collection challenges in Salesforce with Chargent. Learn how Chargent can make your payments configurable and automated, saving you time and money. Download the guide using the link in the description of the video right now. Go ahead, I'll wait. Okay, tip number 3, report building for payments. We make it quick and easy for admins to build reports for their users. We offer a folder of ready-to-go reports. If you need to make changes, they are a great template to get you started. I should also note that our new automated collections dashboard requires no setup at all, and it makes it very simple to see what's working and not working with your AC process. Admin tip number 4, take payments. On the object your team already works on, add your Chargent Anywhere component to any page in Salesforce. Component will automatically build all the necessary metadata needed to get your team up and running, taking payments where they already work. You'll put payments at their fingertips and you hardly raise a finger. Admin tip number 5, add payments without any code. Admins can use Chargent Anywhere to add payments without using code to any Lightning page. It works in classic UI too. Admin tip number 6, give the gift of payment requests. The Chargent settings page lets you quickly assign permission sets for end users. The entire payment request setup process can happen in 15 minutes. That is lightning fast. Not only do you admins save time on setup, this feature also saves your billing team time on manual effort. Admin tip number 7, ongoing payment education. We take ongoing education and support seriously. We maintain detailed documentation, tutorial videos like this one you're watching now, and how-to blog posts. Our mission is to help you to be successful and to help you take payments everywhere. Admin tip number 8, video resources. And speaking of video tutorials, if you enjoy videos like this one, I've got great news. We publish videos weekly on this channel, and we do our best to have them be really useful resources for our customers. Our videos are a quick and fun way to learn about Chargent features. If you're a visual learner, they will save you a lot of time. Admin tip number 9, best-in-class support. I lead our support team. We love that we are available by phone, by email, to help you whenever you need it. Our documentation is really detailed and answers many questions, but sometimes more information or solution is needed. Just pick up the phone and talk to us. We love to help. But before you do that, check out this next video where you can learn more about the features that save you time and money. My name is Robert and I am from Chargent, where we're dedicated to helping you make Salesforce payments simple. And remember, we are always here to help.